Day wonderful people, welcome to my channel. My name is Tommy and thank you for watching this video. I'll be very short and quick because I don't want to waste anybody's time and I want you to follow through this video as much as you can. So today I'm going to be talking about women that have irregular periods. This is something that plagues a lot of women, a lot of ladies, a lot of girls, and they don't have remedies for it. I'll advise you, if it's something that you've noticed, kindly tell a professional, tell a doctor or a nurse or someone that can take care of it for you. But if not, there are many home remedies that can take care of this situation. So there are home remedies that can tackle irregular periods. If you want to go to the hospital, no problem, but if you also want to take care of it from the home, why not? The first thing that you can do for anybody that has irregular periods is to consume unripe pawpaw, otherwise known as papaya. What you can do is to get unripe pawpaw, not the ripe one, the one that is still green and that is still very crunchy. That unripe pawpaw that when you bite it, it will give you that sound of crunchiness. Just blend it as much as you can and drink up the juice. It might not be as sweet as you want it, but it really works for maintaining and regulating the hormones because of the fiber it has. The fiber helps to realign the muscle in the uterus and it makes you whole, or it helps to realign the uterus. So when you consume unripe pawpaw, it helps with regulating the hormones that tackle irregular periods. The second thing that you can use is turmeric. We all know that turmeric is a wonderful herb. This is something that the Indians have embraced so much and it works for so many things. It helps with diabetes, it helps with cancer in some cases, it helps with a lot of things, and so it also helps with irregular periods if you take warm turmeric. So for the turmeric measure, you have to consume 1/4 of turmeric. You know turmeric goes a long way, so just take 1/4 of the turmeric, put it in a glass full of warm milk and some honey to sweeten the taste. If you don't want to go with the honey, it's okay, it's quite optional, but honey itself is also medicinal, so it's perfectly okay for you. So just consume 1/4 of turmeric with warm honey and some milk. The third remedy you can use is aloe vera. I'm talking about the fresh aloe vera plants, the fresh aloe vera gel. It's okay for you to consume it, though it can be very bitter, but it's okay because this is what you're looking for. You're trying to get some remedy for it. So just scrape some aloe vera gel from the fresh aloe vera and fresh organic aloe vera plant, and you mix it with some honey so that you sweeten it, because aloe vera is quite bitter. You might not be able to get it down your throat, so I advise you to consume it with some honey. You can use a tablespoon of honey, consume it with the aloe vera, mix it with some water and just gulp it down. It will be okay for you. You can do this just before you have your breakfast. If you can do any of these remedies every morning before you have your breakfast, it will be very good for you. It will also help to detox your body. If you want to detox the body, the best time to detox the body is the first thing in the morning or last thing at night. So I advise you to consume it first thing in the morning. Any of these remedies, you have to use warm water to mix it. Warm water also helps in detoxing your body, so you mixing with warm water will help you in regulating your hormones perfectly. The fourth thing you can do is to use ginger. That's the fourth remedy. Ginger helps with a lot of things. It helps with colds, it helps to maintain the right body temperature, and ginger also helps to regulate the hormones that go haywire that causes irregular periods. So boil ginger in hot water. It's as simple as that. Just get some ginger roots. I advise you don't go for the ginger powder because that one has lost some of the nutrients. It will give you the 100% that you want. It's at 70 to 80%, and you don't want that. You want something that's going to give you the full treatment. So just get ginger root. Don't cut the back off, don't cut the skin off, everything goes. Just wash it properly and boil it in hot boiling water, and just drink it when it's cool enough for you, when it's not totally cold but when it's still warm enough to detox your body. And you can drink this every day. Ginger is very good for our bodies. It doesn't have any side effects except for those that maybe they have ulcer or they've told you to stay clear from ginger, but ginger is good enough for you to drink. And the final thing that you can use to control irregular periods is cinnamon. So for the cinnamon, you also need to use a glass full of warm milk. Just add a teaspoon of cinnamon powder to it. Cinnamon, the kind that we use for desserts to make our dishes taste better. I'm talking about the edible cinnamon now, the cinnamon powder. That is what you should use. Just get the cinnamon powder and add it into your full glass of warm milk and consume it. Cinnamon does not only help with maintaining or to treat irregular periods, it also takes away the pains that come with menstrual cramps, or the pains that come with menstrual periods as well, the cramps and all that. So these remedies help a lot. Please, a word of caution, don't consume it when you're on your monthly period, just take this before and you'll see that your body will be rejuvenated. It will help with detoxing your body to a great extent, and it will also help to remove the irregular periods. Please, a disclaimer: if you often have irregular periods, kindly see your doctor. If none of these remedies work for you, these are home remedies which would generally work, but if it's something that has not been tackled for a long time, please kindly go to the hospital and see your doctor. So this is my video for today. Please don't keep this to yourself. Kindly share to everybody that will get great benefits from this video. Share to your friends, your acquaintances, everyone that will basically get something. Don't also forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for this channel, because that lets you know when new videos drop on this channel. So till I come your way next time, just stay beautiful and have a lovely day. Bye. This is something that some people don't. I was arranging everything in my head though. Oh, I was that from the beginning. Till I come your irregular periods, otherwise known as oligomenorrhea. Let me just go with regular periods. Irregular. Okay.